Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Damn, son.
Good morning. Today we're gonna go on some early ice to Manuta Reservoir here in Utah. It's currently December 10th. That way if you guys want an ice update, you're gonna get one today if you're local. We've had some low temperatures within the last weeks, so hopefully the ice is about 4 to 5 inches. There are some hot springs here that we have to be careful for, but we're gonna take all the necessary actions we need to take to be safe. There's a big variety of species here, and I love coming into this lake. Getting 3 of my buddies today. We got Somi, Grant, and Daniel. I would go solo, but I'm a little scared because it's still early ice. You just never know what's gonna happen. But let's go get the boys. Let's get this fishing on, and hopefully you guys enjoy some good content today.
We're on the road.
Oh, that thing's gonna wreck you. I'm just the cameraman today, eh? Yeah, we're not trying to fall through.
Can't close to these patties.
I actually thought there's not going to be like any ice.
I thought that we'd see open water. Yeah. Oh yeah, bring hell of it.
That's good, like
I think even if we're at like 4 or 5.
4 or 5 inches, yeah.
Because I was looking at a lot of the old posts. A lot of people were coming out this week and starting out.
How you trying to spawn again?
Sure, here. You can throw it in there. Oh, 13.
Perfect.
One right there.
Yeah, marking 1.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
dude, there's a couple now.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna spread out a little more over there.
I'm gonna go up more.
Yeah, I was gonna go diagonal this way.
That's fine.
We'll just.
I know someone's
want 3?
excited, bro. Looks like we're on some fish. Everyone's stoked.
Wait, Somi, before you go. How you doing, dude? Doing great, yourself?
You got any marks, dude?
At the top. What about you?
Nah. They'll roll around, hopefully. Oh, they're here. They're finicky, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I saw it come up. There's another one with them. First one of the trip. Let's go. Oh, it's still there. His homie's there. First one. Oh my gosh, I have a whole school down here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
At the bottom?
No, dude, it was like 10 feet.
Wrap around. Oh, my bad, my bad. Is it recording?
Oh, open it up, open it up. Just
pull it in with your. Oh my gosh, I'm talking. Fucking dude's a big one, dude. Damn, son. Hell yeah. Yeah, I know. Dude. Yeah, I was like, dude, look at that. Yeah. Maybe almost 2? No. I knew it was a big one, dude. I was like, dude, I need help for this. Holy. Oh yeah. That was fucking amazing.
The hell, it knocked the camera over. Bro, caught like 10 species today. Didn't get to update you guys. I was fishing on a time crunch today because I have to go home and babysit. We had a really decent day. I think we ended up with like 40 rainbows, couple big bluegills, couple nice bass, and 1 perch. Overall, successful day ice fishing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, if you guys really enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please like, and I'll see you guys on the next ice fishing trip. Peace.